Sit. Sit. Good girl.
No. Does she know that?
Yeah. Here, happy birthday.
Yeah, unwrap it yourself.
I'll get the scissors. Oh, she loves it. Can you get the scissors? Wait, here are the scissors. Oh my gosh, she loves it, Jacob.
She loves squirrels.
So does her mother. Okay, let me release him. It's over there. It's over there. Oh. Wow. When your cat's socially awkward. She doesn't know what to do. She's like so happy.
Jacob wasn't a part of this at all.
I was.
We're having so much fun.
Yeah. Look at her go.
Okay. You actually have to be a part of the scene.
Do pink.
Okay, we'll do pink.
Is it okay for her to be eating this right now? It's not gonna
Just
mess
a
up her
little,
day.
just a
Yeah,
little.
just a little.
Little snack. She knows it's her birthday.
Ow.
Birthday! Yeah!
Should we plop it on a plate?
No.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. 1, 2, 3.
Cheers.
Yay!
Good job. Oh, she doesn't like the smell.
Oh, I'm sorry.
She goes, ooh. Here, should we put it on a plate?
No, she's just gonna have a little.
No, but she's not gonna be able to eat any. It's like almond. It's like, just like chew it.
Yeah, she has teeth. She's not boxer. Okay. That's a wrap. And that's all you get for now. Good job. Okay.
Look. She goes, no, no.
Oh my God.